At the Supreme Court this week, the Supreme Court nullified COMELEC Minute Resolution number 22-0774, which had approved the post-election substitution of the nominees of Comunidad ng Pamilya, Pasyente at Persons with Disabilities, or the P3 PWD party list, including Maria Rowena Amelia Guanzon in the 2022 elections. By permitting substitutions beyond the deadline, the COMELEC violated the constitutional right of the people to have information. The court emphasized the importance of the timing of nominee substitutions as it directly affects voters' rights to know the identities of the nominees from party lists. This knowledge allows voters to make informed and intelligent choices on election day. The court directed P3 PWD party lists to submit additional nominees, but prohibited them from renominating for the 19th Congress the nominees whose substitutions have been invalidated. The decision is immediately executory. In another decision, the Supreme Court affirmed the dismissal of a bus driver for gross and habitual neglect of duty after being involved in multiple road accidents. The court ruled that Marcelino Linganay was validly dismissed by his employer, Del Monte Land Transport Bus Company Inc., or DLTB Co., for violating the company's rules against reckless driving and for gross negligence, which resulted in injuries and property damage. Linganay violated company policy with his repeated reckless driving, which endangered the lives of his passengers and pedestrians. He also exposed the company to liabilities. From November 18 to 21, the Supreme Court of the Philippines hosted the 11th meeting of the Council of ASEAN Chief Justices, or CACJ, at the Shangri-La Mactan, Cebu. The meeting brought together chief justices and senior judiciary officials from ASEAN member states to discuss judicial cooperation and regional initiatives in Southeast Asia. Chief Justice Alexander G. Esmundo was elected as the new chairperson of the Council of ASEAN Chief Justices. Distinguished leaders of the judiciary and legal professionals from across the ASEAN region gathered at the Shangri-La Mactan in Cebu on November 19, 2024, for the 45th ASEAN Law Association Governing Council meeting. Chief Justice Alexander G. Hesmundo underscored the transformative impact of technology on the legal profession during the event. And that's your Supreme Court this week. I am Tiffany Dobletran, Supreme Court Information Officer.